ఎలాంటి సర్వే లేదు, ఎలాంటి డెడికేషన్ కమిషన్ లేదు, ఎలాంటి ఎంపీరికల్ డేటా లేదు. కేవలం 9 రేకులలో చట్టాన్ని మార్చి ఇవాళ ఈడెంట్లో మా తీసుకున్న కన్ను కూర్చొని అందుకని మేము వేదిక ద్వారా మనమందరం.
See, it is a demand of reservation of 40% for BCs. For centuries, they were being denied their right. Now, Telangana is the first state to conduct caste survey, first in the country. So, it's a genuine demand. It is the responsibility of the government of India to enact and to amend the act in the parliament on par with what they have done in Tamil Nadu. They have to consider the demand of BCs, which is a genuine demand. Under the leadership of Revanth Reddy, we have enacted the law in the assembly. So now they have to approve it by amending the central act like what they have done earlier during Congress period, during P.V. Narasimha Rao, like amendment of the parliament, that they have to consider the demand, which is genuine demand. Otherwise people will come to streets. Thank you. PRS has got no right because from 34 or so it has brought down to 22%. They have no moral right to talk about the reservation for the BCs. They have lost the right when they reduce the share, they reduce the percentage. Thank you.
हमारा आंदोलन लगातार जारी है। पूरे देश में जो तेलंगाना मॉडल है वो मॉडल सबसे अंतिम पंक्ति पे अंतिम पायदान में खड़े व्यक्ति को बराबर राजनीतिक सामाजिक आर्थिक हक देने का है। और दूसरी लिस्ट जो पूरे देश में बिहार मॉडल की बन रही है, जहाँ पर लिस्ट से अलग अलग लोगों को हटाने की बात हो रही है, तो हम आज देश की राजधानी में आकर ये बताना चाहते हैं कि एक तरफ एक तेलंगाना की कांग्रेस की सरकार, माननीय खड़गे जी और हमारे नेता राहुल जी, हमारे प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, इनके नेतृत्व में हम सामाजिक न्याय की पैरवी के लिए यहाँ आए हैं। 42% रिजर्वेशन ओबीसी के लिए मांग करने के लिए आए हैं और उसके लिए हमारे पास मजबूत आधार है। जो तेलंगाना कास्ट सेंसस हुआ वो हमारा मजबूत आधार है। और दूसरी तरफ जो SIR हो रहा है जिसमें 65 लाख मतदाता काटे गए हैं, ये दोनों मॉडल लोगों के बीच जाना चाहिए। और जनतंत्र में फाइनली जो जनता की अदालत है वो सबसे बड़ा कोर्ट है और जनता तय करेगी कि अब हम उसको इस देश के इस दशक की राजनीति में किसके साथ खड़ा होना, और वो लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए हम यहाँ आए हैं। ये हमारी निर्णायक लड़ाई।
అయితే వాళ్ళ రాష్ట్రంలో పసుపండా ముస్లింలు అనే పేరుతోటి ఏ రిజర్వేషన్ అయితే బీజేపీ అమలు సాగులో అదే తెలంగాణ విషయానికి వస్తే బీసీ రిజర్వేషన్ అని ముస్లింల భుజాల మీద తుపాలు పెట్టి కాల్చివేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉంది బీజేపీ పార్టీ. రిజర్వేషన్ వ్యతిరేక పార్టీ బీజేపీ పార్టీ. ఎస్సీ రిజర్వేషన్లు, ఎస్టీ రిజర్వేషన్లు, బీసీ రిజర్వేషన్లు, మైనారిటీ రిజర్వేషన్లు వ్యతిరేకించే పార్టీ. అందుకోసమే మల్లికార్జున ఖార్గే గారి నేతృత్వంలో రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారి పిలుపులకు మన ప్రియతమ నాయకులు రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు, మహేష్ కుమార్ రావు గారు, అలాగే కృషి గారి నాయకత్వంలో ఈ రోజు గవర్నమెంట్ ఏదైతుందో బీసీ రిజర్వేషన్ల కోసం
So BJP has to take the decision on 42% BC reservation because Modi ji says he's a BC. And when he's a BC, when there is a problem, when BC people are asking to pass the bill or keep in the parliament and have a discussion, why is he not taking a stand on BC reservation? What is it? What is his We are fighting the second time in Delhi. We are fighting for BC reservation 42%, and so far BJP has not taken any decision. What are their stand? We need a clarity from BJP. And Modi ji says he's a BC. When he's a BC, there's a problem on BC. Why he's not taking a stand and what is he wanted to say? We have put a step forward and BJP is putting a back step. So I think if BJP doesn't take any decision on 42% BC reservation, I don't think BC people, they will vote for BJP. When Modi ji says he's a BC, why can't he take a decision on BC 42% reservation? Why is he, just time passing or he just escaping? We don't know the reason. So we are waiting what is he going to do and what BJP is going to do.
Recently, Kamal Hassan made a remark on Sanatan Dharma. Now BJP is saying that we need to boycott their movies.
See, BJP is only there to just give a false news. So we should not give importance to their some issues or what are they speaking. See, now we are asking for the 42% reservation, BC reservation. We are waiting what BJP is going to say. Let them give a clarity. Are they going to take a stand? If we put the bill on Parliament, are they going to pass the bill or no? If they don't take a decision, if they're not going to come forward, and if they just, take time pass of all the BC people will not vote for BJP.
42% रिजर्वेशन बैकवर्ड कास्ट को देना बोल के कैश सेंसस 1 लाख एम्प्लॉयज को लगा के हम जो करे हैं 1 लाख एम्प्लॉयज से हम जो कैबिनेट में बैठ के हमारा सीएम रेवंत रेड्डी के साथ बैठ के अच्छा से ये कितना परसेंटेज है उतना उसको हिस्सा मिलना चाहिए पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन वही डिमांड है वही इम्प्लीमेंट करना बोल के यहाँ दिल्ली में इतना लोग वॉलंटियर आके धरना कर रहे हैं हम जब तक हमारा होना जब तक हम लड़ेंगे हम बीसी के साथ है हम जो पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से देना बोल के हमारा डिमांड है
The issue concerned with the OBCs. The Telangana state government has brought the bills, passed the bills in the assembly, sent it across to the governor. From there it has come to the Rashtrapati. And we are requesting the government of India and Rashtrapati ji also to clear it at the earliest so that the 42% reservation OBCs can be implemented in the forthcoming local body selections immediately. And even for the education and employment also.
Also further steps, sir. Further steps.
See, our step is only to request the Bharat Rashtrapati under the leadership of the Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy Garu and the entire cabinet, MLAs, MPs and all other leaders, PCC President, all of them have come here to request the government of India and also the Bharat Rashtrapati here for the OBC reservation bill what we passed, which is with all the after survey doing it only we have brought that bill.
एक कांग्रेस पार्टी एक एम्पेरिकल डाटा के साथ ताकत से मजबूत से कानून के जरिया हम तेलंगाना की 1 लाख सरकारी कर्मचारी को लेके हमने गांव-गांव घर-घर घूम के डीएसओ डाटे के मुताबिक सब कमेटी फॉर्मेशन करके कैबिनेट अप्रूवल लेके फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस लेजिस्लेशन करके एक्ट बना के गवर्नर साहब को भेज के गवर्नर साहब के एक्सेप्टेंसी से दिल्ली राष्ट्रपति जी को बिल लाया। वो बिल को बीजेपी भी तेलंगाना में सपोर्ट किया असेंबली में। यहाँ आके मुस्लिम का नाम पे रोकना चाह रहे। मुस्लिम का रिजर्वेशन 4% अभी आंध्र में बीजेपी का कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट में है, गुजरात में भी है। उसके नाम पे बीसी को रोकने का मत कोशिश करो। आज यहाँ पूरा कांग्रेस पार्टी की कोई कम्युनिटी कैस्ट ऐसा नहीं है, पूरा लीडरशिप यहाँ है। हम लोग का डिमांड एक ही है, जैसा तेलंगाना एजुकेशन था, जैसा हम लोग एक सोशल जस्टिस के लिए लड़े, तो आज कांग्रेस पार्टी का नेतृत्व में फिर एक बार तेलंगाना सरकार दिल्ली जंतर मंतर में है, पूरे मंत्री एमएलए एमएलसी के साथ, कार्यकर्ता के साथ। हम बीजेपी सरकार को ये कहना चाहता है कि आप बात मान के, और तेलंगाना बीजेपी में जो बीसी लीडर है वो लोग तो होशियार के आंख खोल के ये बिल को मदद करे, ये हमारा मांग है।